In this video, I will show you how to open and visualize a sequence file using Artemis on a Mac. Artemis is a free DNA viewer and annotation tool developed at the Sanger Institute. It allows the visualization of various file types, from simple sequence files to annotation entries, as well as various analyses in an intuitive graphical format. It is routinely used by the pathogen genomics group at the Sanger and various other groups around the world for annotation and analysis of both prokaryotic and eukaryotic genomes. The aim of this video is for you to become familiar with the basic functions of Artemis using a reference Salmonella typhi genome. There are many more functions that are specific to different genomic analysis, and we encourage you to explore some of these on your own. By now, you will have downloaded the Artemis software, which is available online for free, and your reference Salmonella genome sequence, which we'll show you in a little bit. So first, we will go to Mozilla Firefox to download our file, and we will type in the directory that we are listing below. It will download it from an FTP site at the Sanger. Once we're here, just right-click on the st.dna file and save it to your desktop. Now we'll go ahead and double-click on the Artemis software. And it will ask you to select a working directory to save temporary files for this session. So for now, we will select the desktop. And if you click in this box, it will record this location for the next time and will not prompt you to enter it again. Okay, once Artemis is open, we'll go to File, Open, and select the sequence we just downloaded. So here it is, basic Artemis window. The first thing you will see are these three panels, which display different levels of information of your genome sequences. But for now, let's focus on the top and middle panels. Both of these actually show the same information, but the middle panel is a zoomed-in version of the top panel. So if you go to the right-hand side and move the scroll bar, you can see different levels of zooming. And you can go all the way from base 0 to the very end of your bacterial chromosome, and that's around 4.8 million base pairs. In the middle section, for each amino acid, you will see the corresponding codon. So this is displaying the forward and reverse strands in their three reading frames. And for each reading frame, you will see an amino acid and its corresponding codon. And you will see if I highlight a section of the reading frame here, it also highlights it on the top section. If you double-click any specific feature on your panels, it will center it on your Artemis window. Now let's zoom out for a little bit, and you'll start noticing these vertical lines in both panels. Each of these black vertical lines represent the stop codon on each coding frame. You will notice that they are not evenly represented in the genome. So here's a question for you. What do you think are these long stretches of DNA that do not have a stop codon in there? It is likely that they are open reading frames that encode for specific proteins. And we will confirm this when we load the annotations in the next section. So that is how you open and visualize a sequence file using Artemis on a Mac. I'm Pablo Sukayama. As always, if you have any feedback, please leave it in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.